Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Andriti Salwanur Sabita and I'm from Syariah Accounting Program Studi. Now I will tell you about Ulumul Hadis. The first is definition of hadis. Hadis is everything that is relied upon by the Prophet Muhammad SAW, whether word, action, decision, or nature. According to Ibnu Taymiyah, the hadith is something that was relied upon by the Prophet Muhammad SAW after he was appointed as a messenger, which consisted with word, action, and decision. Thus, something that was relied upon before he was appointed as a messenger, not a hadith. Hadith has various names and synonyms, which are generally divided into three. There are sunnah, khobar, and atsar. The first is sunnah. There are two opinions in the definition of sunnah. The first is according to muhaddis, the sunnah is the same as the hadith. Sunnah is everything that is left or accepted from the Prophet Muhammad SAW in the form of word, action, decision, physical or moral nature, or behavioral of life, either before he was appointed as a messenger or after the prophethood. The second is according to the ulama of usul fiqih, the sunnah is all that comes from the Prophet Muhammad SAW besides Quran Al-Karim, both in the form of word, action, and decision, which can be used as a dalil to establish the Sharia law. The third is according to the ulama of fiqih. Sunnah is everything that comes from the Prophet Muhammad SAW, who is not obligatory and not mandatory. The next is khobar. There are two opinions in the definition of khobar. The first, khobar is a synonym of hadith. Khobar is everything that based on the Prophet Muhammad SAW from the word, action, decision, and nature. And then the second, khobar is different from hadith. Hadith is everything that comes from the Prophet Muhammad SAW, while khobar is something that comes from other than the Prophet Muhammad SAW. On the basis on this opinion, who involved in historical activities called akhbari. Khobar is more general from hadith. And the next is atsar. Atsar is everything that is relied upon by Sahaba and Tabi'in, consisted of word or action. The next is the form of hadith. The form of hadith are divided into three. There are hadith qauliyah, hadith fi'liyah, and hadith takririyah. A qauli hadith is refers to sayings or spoken word from the Prophet Muhammad SAW, and fi'liyah hadith is a hadith that are described action performed by the Prophet Muhammad SAW. And the takririyah hadith is a hadith refers to tacit approval by the Prophet Muhammad SAW. The next is the functional hadith in the Quran. The first hadith can be affirming or bayan takrir, and the second is can be explaining or bayan tafsir, and the last is can be establishing new rulings or tashri. Okay, that's all from me. I hope it will be useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.